Let's be honest, most morning routines you see online are completely unrealistic if you're not naturally a morning person. Waking up at 5 a.m., emphasis on meditation for an hour. Yeah, that's not happening when you can barely open your eyes. So today, I'm sharing a 20-minute morning routine that actually works for people who genuinely hate mornings. This isn't about becoming a morning person, it's about making mornings suck less. First, let's talk about the wake up. The key is not hitting snooze. But here's the trick. Place your alarm across the room. Force yourself to physically get up. Once you're standing, you're halfway there. Keep your curtains slightly open so natural light helps wake you up gradually. Your body responds to light even before you're conscious. Step 1. Hygiene basics. You've got 5 minutes. Splash cold water on your face. Emphasis on cold because warm water will put you right back to sleep. Brush your teeth. Quick shower if you need it, but honestly, skip it if you showered the night before. You're optimizing for time here. The goal is to feel human, not perfect. Step 2. Get dressed in something comfortable but intentional, not pajamas. Laying out clothes the night before saves 3 to 5 minutes of decision-making when your brain isn't working yet. Step 3. Hydration and quick fuel. Drink a full glass of water immediately. Your body is dehydrated after sleeping for hours. This alone will boost your energy more than you'd think. For breakfast, keep it stupid simple. Overnight oats you prepared yesterday, a banana with peanut butter, pre-made smoothie. Nothing that requires complex cooking or decisions. Future you will thank present you. Step 4. Mental preparation. This is where most people skip ahead, but it's emphasis on crucial. Spend 3 minutes, just 3, doing something that centers you. This could be writing down 3 priorities for the day, stretching while your coffee brews, deep breathing. The point is creating an intentional transition from sleep mode to action mode. Step 5. Create momentum with one small win. Make your bed. It takes 60 seconds and gives you an immediate accomplishment. Sounds cheesy, but starting with completion sets a productive tone. Or check off one tiny task. Reply to one email, pack your bag, prep your lunch. One small action creates forward motion. Here's what you're not doing in this routine. Checking social media, reading news, watching videos. Those are emphasis on black holes for your attention and time. Save them for when you're actually awake. The biggest mistake people make with morning routines? Trying to do too much. They add meditation, journaling, exercise, elaborate breakfasts, skincare routines, and then they burn out after 3 days because it's not sustainable. This 20-minute routine works because it focuses on emphasis on essentials only. Get up, get clean, get fed, get focused, get moving. That's it. Everything else is bonus. Now, some of you might be thinking, what about exercise? What about learning something new? Add those later, once this foundation becomes automatic. Start small, build consistency, then expand. The beauty of this routine is that it's actually achievable even on your worst days. Bad sleep? You can still do this. Running late? You can still do this. Zero motivation? You can still do this. Let's talk about night before preparation because that's honestly half the battle. Spend 5 minutes before bed setting yourself up. Lay out clothes, prep breakfast components, pack your bag. Morning you has the decision-making capacity of a confused potato. Help them out. One more thing. Adjust your sleep schedule gradually if you need to wake up earlier. Shift your bedtime back by 15 minutes every few days. Sudden changes will fail. Your body needs time to adapt. Be patient with the process. Remember, the goal isn't to become someone who emphasis on loves mornings. The goal is to make mornings functional and less painful. You're building a system that works with your nature, not against it. After following this for 2 weeks, you'll notice something interesting. Mornings might still not be your favorite time, but they'll stop feeling like a crisis. You'll have a predictable sequence that removes the chaos. And that predictability? That's what makes mornings manageable for non-morning people. Here's your action step. Don't try to implement this perfectly tomorrow. Pick 2 elements from this routine. Just 2. Master those first. Maybe it's the alarm placement and the water drinking. Start there. Once those become automatic, add the next element. Sustainable change happens in small increments, not dramatic overhauls. So if you're someone who's tried morning routines before and failed, this is your permission to try differently. Lower the bar. Remove the pressure. Focus on consistency over perfection. 20 minutes, 5 essential steps, no complicated rituals. That's the morning routine for people who hate mornings. If this approach resonated with you, subscribe for more realistic lifestyle content. Drop a comment telling me your biggest morning struggle. I read every single one. And remember, you don't have to love mornings. You just have to survive them effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.